Video Crafter. Today is just a very quick video. It's just to recommend this paper to you. I've been looking for Halloween paper and I'm really trying not to spend a lot of money on new paper. I'm sure you understand. But I really need it because Halloween I have very little paper. And I found this one that's very inexpensive. So I got 30 sheets of Halloween, which you can see here is amazing. Great bright colors. I really love it. The only thing that I have to say that this is not a paper that I will use to make the bases of boxes or treat bags or anything like that. This is mainly for layering pieces when you make the box with something that it's a little more sturdy, so thicker paper, more like cardstock, and then you use this to decorate. Or if you want to make those basic paper bags, you can use this too. But I wanted to show you, this was $4.99, so $5 for 30 sheets that are 8 inches by 11, so really great price. I found this on Amazon and I'll have the link below so you can click and buy it. But I want to flip through and show you. I love this sheet here because this is not stickers, so this is the paper itself, but it gives you like 6 of each, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of each. And on this side here, they're double-sided, which I love. And on this side, you have all these cutouts that you can fussy cut. So it's not sticker. You are going to have to cut it if you want. So you have some words, sentiments, some banners, and images that you can use to decorate, which I really thought was great. So this is one side. You have 5 of that. The other side is this little, let me put it like this so you can see. These are little skulls. Love it. So that's one side. I'm going to show you the whole thing, okay? I love, this is, I think, my favorite page. Look at that, this little, this way I think it's easier for you to see. So ghosts flying around, love it. And the other side is just these little dots and circles. So always double-sided, which is cool. Here is another one, so just basic stripes here, and then on the other side, but I love that it's very bright colors. This one is really cool too. You have the skeletons here and the pumpkin, but very purple, and my alarm just went off. Let me just get it. Okay, it's off. So yeah, this one is one of my favorites too. Look how bright this is and how cool this paper is. Love it. So that's one. One more for you, black and orange. With that, again, it's the same design except that it's not colorful. It's just in orange. And then on the other side, you have the pumpkin lights coming through. And the last one, again, it's just a basic like stripes and stuff, and then orange. So really bright, really nice colors. I'm going to put it here so you can take a last look. And on the first line of the description, you're going to see the link. It's on Amazon and it's $5. So I'm really glad, and I just wanted to share in case you're like me, you don't want to spend a lot because you already have a lot, but also you need some variety. So that's it for the Halloween paper suggestion. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, have a good day.